Okay, so here's the JMC cabinet. JMC 161 31 1720. You can see it's working. All the drives are working. Drives are working. Main disconnect is working. So we're going to clean it, vacuum, close all the panel, and this is ready for China, maybe next month. We don't know. And we have another one. So this is my homemade reset, because this cabinet, it transferred the reset of the HMI. Cool. These are the breakers. We still have locking of circuit breakers. All the relays working. Everything is grounded. Everything is labeled for safety. Line reactors, the drives, the resistor I installed in the top, braking resistors. And this is ready. Everything is grounded. Okay.